worth it to give some or to make me feel something like that. Don't I deserve that? That kind of feeling. Only that kind of feeling. Because we're 10 almost 11 years of relationship. We were together when we're teenager, but I understand that one. But how about the later years, the latter part, where we're adult, going to adult, like 20s, like we're in 20s, still no thought about that. Yeah, girls. Hmm. That's why sometimes I forget that I'm a girl. Like, it's just like a little appreciation thing. Hmm. Mm. Yeah, that's how it ended. He saw it as he saw it as a negative thing. Me asking for it, how I wanted to be treated. Well, I only realized it late that maybe it's good to be treated like that. Why not? Because around that time pa ako, when I asked him why he don't do stuffs like that. Because I keep seeing a lot on social media, like how they appreciate someone. And they are younger than me. What about me? Something like that. That kind of funny feeling. He neglect things like that. He thought that I'm being too much demanding. Something. Yeah, there's a lot of men don't translate their love with that kind of just gesture. I know. I know. That's what I thought all the time. That's why it's okay for me. No, no things like that before. But